Good afternoon. I am Msda. I'll be presenting my Cuny Msda SQL final project. Thanks for watching. Please, before we start, we'll be dropping our database called building energy and then create another one called building energy. And then we use the building energy as our default schema. So let's run this query and see. Successful. And again, we'll be creating a table, different kind of tables, but we have to drop all the tables we already have that has the same name as all these tables. So we run this query and see what we have here. Okay, and again, now that the table has been dropped, we'll be creating a table called energy category, and with the ID as a column, the category as a column too, having an integer as a data type, as a varchar as a data type as well. The ID is going to be a primary key and it's going to be not known. Successful. Another table here we'll be creating is going to be called energy type, with ID as a column, energy type as a column, and a category ID as a column too. So we are running the query to see what we have here. Successful. Now the next thing we are going to do is to populate our created table. So I'll be populating the energy category, and then I will be creating populating the energy type using all these values. So I will be using insert into and then with respective value to populate it. Good. Table populated successfully. And the third table I have here is called category energy type. This is a joiner table. It's a kind of a table that will be linking two tables together. So it will be linking the category energy categories and the energy type together. Let's run this query and see. Successful. Good. So we can now populate the category underscore energy type the table with these values. All rows are created successful. Now let's go to question 3. Question 3 wants us to use a join statement to display this value here. So this join statement will link two tables together and then will display this. We have the column here to be gas, and the category of this gas is fossil, right? And then we have this to be wind as a energy type, and is a renewable energy type here. So that's for question 3. Question 4 wants us to add another table called building. So here we'll be adding a table called building, and then we have an ID as a column, as a category ID as another column too, and here name as another as the name of the building. So we'll run this query and see what we have. Successful. Okay, let's populate the table. So I'm populating the table now using insert into, and then the value will be populated into there. Okay, good. And let's select from the building and see what we have there. The star means we are selecting all. Wherever you see a star, it tells you select all. So I'm selecting all from building. Here I have the column ID being 1 2 3 3 2, and then the category ID, which is for the column here, is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here and then the name here, respective name of the building is being listed here. We have the Empire State, the Chrysler Building, and the Borough of Manhattan building. And the fifth question wants us to write a joint statement that will display building and associated energy type. So we're using this select statement to query, and then we have a value for it. Here, the name of respective building is being listed here. We have a Borough of Manhattan. They have the energy type there to be electricity. They have a solar, steam. Chrysler Building has electricity, steam, electricity for Empire State, and gas and steam. The sixth question wants us to insert new columns into tables that have been already created into building tables and energy types table. So I'll be using this insert query to insert into them. So successful, and then from there, the seventh question wants us to display respective building using renewable energies. So I'll be using this query to select names of the building and their respective renewable energy. So here, as you can see, this is the building name. It's called the Empire State Building. Using wind energy is a renewable. Chrysler using a wind as a renewable. Borough of Manhattan using wind as a renewable as well. So we now go to question 8. Question 8 wants us to count and display the frequency of building energy types. So let's run this and see. So we can see here that the energy type here is electricity. The total count of buildings that are using electricity, there are 4 in numbers. Steam, they are free. Geothermal, free. Solar, free. And then gas, free. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you once again. See you next time.